Alright, it's 11 a.m. The first weekly test of WXM69 in a while will be coming here shortly. It's also be a first alert on some of these radios if they go off. So, I'll come back when it gets toned. It's about to be the earliest test time for WXM69 at 11:02 a.m. That was the earliest I've ever seen them test. So, we'll see if this happens or if it'll be later. The answer to that question was no.
Signal was a test of the weather radio station WXM public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Jackson, Pike, Ross, Scioto, and Benton. In Kentucky, Lewis, and Mason. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXM 69 of Wave, Ohio. Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions at the Greater Portsmouth Regional Airport under fair skies. The wind south at 8 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. And now the conditions for selected cities in Ohio, West Virginia, and Kentucky.
Okay, so synopsis. First version 5 went off. Modded version 5 didn't go off. That's kind of concerning. 74105XL went off. WX67 went off. Sorry about my weird voice right now. My nose has been driving me now since Monday. Yeah, that's why I'm here right now. Anyways, ER10 went off. WR8000 went off. 74200 did not go off, which I think might be because I didn't have the display mode right. I don't know how that works. 262 went off. 991 went off. Jensen went off. Why did you not go off?
System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially.
I don't know. BC148XLT went off first alert. WX200 went off. So there you have it.